Okay guys, we got a sale. I'm heading on down there. I'm gonna sell this bin of stuff, some vintage lighting that's all stacked in there and stuff. This whole bin is going 35 bucks, the bin and all. I'm using the Ford. It's just a 4-cylinder runner. It's a runner, guys. It's got to make me some money, you know. So plus it blows awesome heat. It blows awesome heat, guys. Got the van over there. Comes FedEx, so we'll just wait for FedEx to go by. So yeah, we'd be $35 in our pocket, which isn't too bad. Okay guys, so here I am at the Sheetz gas station, waiting for, not the Pep Boys over here, waiting for customer to arrive and buy the bin so we can make a little bit of coin. It's kind of hazy out today, but it's not too bad. We got about 10 minutes to be here. Try to be a little early. Okay guys, here's the money for the bin. I'm actually at home now, so you know, we get out of the vehicle and here we are. The bin is gone, guys. I'm gonna shut a roof. Okay guys, threw it all in the bin. We'll put $40 on this bin since I added all the ornaments and everything else. So that's a $40 bin right there. I'm glad we're done with it. Maybe I'll just throw this pipe down here somewhere down at the bottom, Santa pipe. Let's close it up, guys. Oh shoot, let's make sure this is here. So that's a whole bin. That's how you do it, guys. The whole bin of the whole bin of Christmas right there. Let's try to get that all done. Good, good. We can get that out of there. I'll go unlock the other vehicle. I'll put this in the other vehicle. Just take that stupid sticker. Look, you see what you go through. Let's try to get all that stuff up here. It's sticky. Nice, good, good, good. I'm gonna vacuum this thing out in the spring. Good, good, awesome. Try to stick whatever I can, guys, of that stuff that fell off from this sticker. Stupid stickers. Don't put stickers on your totes, guys. Okay? Okay, good. We got a lot of that up. I'm very happy with that because sometimes I will lay here, you know, and relax a little bit, but we have a bin to get out of here now. Then I could assemble all this, put $30, $40 on it, whatever, and get that up on the market to get it sold. I'm gonna put this in the other vehicle for now to get it out of here. Is the camera working or what? So guys, a lot of stuff been going on. I've been sick, my wife's been sick, you know, and just trying to get better, snap out of it. It's not corona or none of that phony virus stuff. You know, common cold is going around. Basically Wendy's got us sick, guys. I'm a vegan, I don't eat meat, but she does, and I say, you know what, my salt levels are down. Pick me up a French fry when you go to pick up whatever you're getting at Wendy's. And so we both had French fries. I ate my French fries. That was it, just French fries. Next day, sick, very sick, guys. I was sick for the whole day and night, just sleeping in bed all day. And next day I was better. So I don't know what was going on with the fries. She's been sick for a week. You know, she had the hamburgers, she had the fries, she had whatever else, nuggets or whatever. I don't eat all that crap. So, but yeah, just trying to fight through all this stuff that's, you know, out there. I guess, you know, fast food guys, watch out for the fast food joints. I think they're all in on it. Look at that, they all work to get people sick at this time. So people go to the doctor, they go to the hospital. Oh, you got phony virus, and guess what? you're stuck in a hospital paying a high bill. I would stay out of the fast food joints, just cook your own meals at home. Word up, okay? Just looking out, guys, for you. Just putting together, let's get back, shoot, something bite me. Another thing, guys, was that I had a tick on me, like a week ago, and I got that tick out, and I got a photo of it. I might throw it up on the screen. You know, that was another week I was down and out. 2 weeks, I think that was. I was down and out because of the tick bite. So that works. Bingo. We got lights, guys. These ain't my lights. These are all lights that was in the storage units, guys. They work. Look at this. I'm gonna just say the whole bag works. You know, they're tied. They got spare bulbs. They're really good. So I'm just gonna say that the whole bag works. Take one more. Well, that's a tiny one too, ain't it? So just been keeping busy with the selling stuff, guys. I know, you know, 30 views, whatever. I don't care anymore about views. I really don't. I'm just doing what I'm doing. I'm filming it, guys. Oh, whatever I do on the channel, it's just going to be free. I'm sure these all work. I think they'll be okay with that. Even if one of them don't work, you know. Oh, you jipped me. One of these lights don't work, you know. Yeah, well. Oh, well. Only asking like 20, 30 bucks for the whole bin of stuff, you know. So, there's 5 or 6 of these sets that do work, so I'm happy with that. And let me get this done real quick. So haven't been doing too much street scrapping. Since the tick bite and the sickness from Wendy's, it took a month out of my life, you know. It's just been like a whole month of my life was shot, just trying to get better. Now I'm better, guys. You know, I made some sales. Chances are you didn't see my last video. I know, hey, YouTube's blocking my channel. I'm pissed off at YouTube. Not the people that watch. Look at this freaking truck coming in here. Freaking. So, not the people that watch, the people that operate YouTube, the people that are in control of YouTube. Had it out for me day one, guys, and it's obvious. You can see when I was dumpster diving, I got all those views, guys, but I wasn't getting subscribers. I don't know if YouTube has control over that. I think they do. So we're going on like 2.5 years. I still don't have 1,000 subscribers, and the channel's like at rock bottom. So it's okay. Whatever, I don't care. You know, it is what it is. I'm not gonna worry about it. I know other people do videos on buying cars at auction, and they're getting like 50,000 views. So this is gonna go in here. Big bag of lights. And there'll be a $20, $25 bin with all that stuff in there. So I'm just gonna chill here with you for a minute, guys. This ain't no fancy doodah, no fancy video, just me taking a break. This is my second bin I have put together, my second one, so no fancy doodah today. I hope you all like that intro I did in my last video. If you didn't, go see my last video. Intro is pretty cool. But I try, you know. This has all been gone through mystery bags. I got another one here. Another mystery bag. We got another mystery bag right here. So I don't know what I'm going to do. We'll figure it out. Maybe I'll put all the mystery bags in a box along with this. So it'll be like, hey, we're getting a lot of stuff. You know, just put 20 bucks on it all. That's all. Just get rid of it. And whatever don't go, guys, will be going to Goodwill. This is unbelievable. It's a bunch of mini Christmas ornaments right in here.